Let's see if this one works out. So this is my first try, and I cannot speak English anymore. Hi everyone, my name is Clyde, and today I'm gonna bring you another. It's been a long time, and I want to make this video for you because I want you to get inspired by watching this and pursue what you love, what you're passionate about, even it's cooking, art, music, whatever you'd like. Just please go ahead after watching this video. Do what you love and be yourself. And I just recorded everything that most people doesn't see, that they are really that important, but seeing the small details, because when we're happy we see that even the smallest things in the world, and that's what makes us like unique in a different way. And you need to understand that even though we are living throughout the pandemic, like myself, I forgot how to live and how can I express myself more, and I changed myself for the better and the worse. But I want to make a change on that, and as you as well, as you're watching this, I'm hyping you up. Truly matters to you, truly helps your growth as a person. And I'm also trying my best to, even with my differences, even though with my things that I happen to be not suffering, but I find that it's hard to do, but I'm trying to. And actually today I clean where I sleep and change everything, because everything was so dark and everything was it didn't make me happy, because I was staying on that place that I was relieving all the emotions, and there was bad energy throughout that video, throughout that walls. And I want to make something brighter, that it does shine through when I do make my art. And I know I should also draw and create what are my experiences, but I always took them as like the bad side. But I need to remember why I create this, and for myself, as I said, like, just do whatever the fuck you want, to be honest. And that what I think, I don't know the answer to life, that I ask every day to myself and my parents, so I don't know really. So I think just being yourself and doing what you love, it's what it's gonna help you. And I don't know what's life gonna be taking, I don't know how to say that, but I just want you, whenever you come back to this video, to get inspired by these things.
almost heaven. West Virginia, the Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life was older, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home.
This video is actually inspired by Studio Ghibli as The Wind Rises, because I just love like how Hayao Miyazaki works on his pieces and see literally the smallest things, but that makes us happy like a child would. And I want you to take on that, even though I'm repeating myself over and over again. I just want you to know that you are special, and that's it's because every day it's a new opportunity to work on ourselves, on what we love. That I said like billion times throughout this video. It's not even the end yet, but I want you to learn on the stuff in a better place where am happy, like truly happy in life. And I think it's more on the journey than running and going after what society tells you about, what are the standards on our life. And I think everyone have their own time on doing that stuff. You don't have to rush because everyone else has done it, or something that you want to do but you cannot do, because we need to take care of ourselves first. And I want you to learn that, and I'm also learning that, because not every day is a perfect day. Like my mother said, that there is Monday, there is Saturday, there is Sunday, so every day it's a different experience, and every day is something new that we can do, that it's gonna make us feel important, loved, and just make a difference into this world. And you do it because you love to, and you just enjoy this stuff. And my favorite movie of Studio Ghibli is actually The Wind Rises, because as the movie says, that what I got from it, that when the wind rises, when there's movement, we need to keep living, we need to keep moving, because as long there is life, there's a chance to life. I know that it's hard for some people who can suffer from anxiety or depression or any mental stuff, or even physical, that it's hard. But every day we get an opportunity to do what we like, and most of us cannot do that. Like I saw other people that cannot do any of this stuff because they have priorities. But if we prioritize ourselves, I think everything will come from then, because once we get blessings in life, I think we can share it throughout the world, because once we're happy, we can share that to other people. And as I said, I don't know what life will bring us next, but there's always gonna be positive. I think that's the way to put it. Every day, as long as you have a chance to live, I think you'll be happy, and that's gonna be genuine, like a kid. Because when I don't know, because it's also hard for me to say these things, because I'm not saying that I'm pessimistic. I'm like living in two opposite worlds where there's negative and positivity, but I try my best to not think about these things. Like like how the pandemic has affected me and all of the stuff that happened to my life. I think one thing that still remains to me is how I enjoy the stuff that I do like, and I want you to know that, because that is something so important that you should know. I don't know how, maybe it's because for me it's easier. I have art enough, and I hope you enjoy this video and be passionate about what you like doing. And this is your sign to draw and to create whatever you'd like. And I will see you in the next video. It's been Clyde. Bye. Also, I wanna ask you, did you ever watch any Studio Ghibli? And I'm actually getting into it like only right now, like a couple of months ago,